Okay, students, very sorry about the first link that we have sent. उसमें आपको सिर्फ 19 minutes and 19.5 minutes तक ही देखना था. उसके बाद actually somehow I forgot to switch the recording off. Okay, sorry for that. But let's continue further with the tension test discussion. अपना फिट वाला हो गया था. Okay, and we had थोड़ा अपन कर लिए थे, which was actually not required, and this seems to be the better method now between the two. Okay, तो ऐसे try करेंगे तो ही all of yours. This is what I thought of first. So I showed it to you, and then I realized that there could have been something else. Impromptu मेरे को ध्यान में आया. So I went ahead this way. And वो solve किया, then somewhere in between we realized that something else could have been done. This is how you will actually learn. Even I am doing it right now. So obviously you have to learn. Alright, try करेंगे तो ही आएगा. You have to spend time with the subject. Okay, and you have to keep trying. That's how, and that's the only way you will learn. ठीक है? चलो, question number 6, everyone. Question number 6 में please note that tan theta minus sec theta and tan theta plus sec theta are not reciprocal to each other. Tan theta minus sec theta and tan theta plus sec theta are not reciprocal to each other. इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, okay, we'll get tan squared minus x squared. Please note, tan square minus x square is -1, not 1. They are not reciprocal to each other. Sec theta minus tan theta and sec theta plus tan theta are reciprocal to each other. प्लस में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, माइनस वाला ये उल्टा होना चाहिए, तभी वो रेसिप्रोकल, नहीं तो नहीं. ठीक है? And I think text number 2 is fine. Now, question number 7. For the umpteenth time, y'all are actually understanding or talking about this kind of a problem. Okay, cosec theta plus cot theta is fine. One statement only, and they are asking about cos theta. अच्छा, किसी ने तो मेरे को ये पूछा था कि सर इसमें थीटा कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में दिया नहीं रहना चाहिए? नहीं रहना चाहिए, not at all. Okay, cosec theta plus cot theta is phi, and you are asked to find cos theta. Okay, cos theta क्या है? कुछ है, quadrant नहीं दिया है, कुछ नहीं दिया है. So can I say cosec theta minus cot theta is 1/5. ऐड करेंगे तो मेरे को 2 cosec theta आएगा. 2 cosec theta आएगा is 5 plus 1/5 is 26/5. 2 गया, cosec theta is 13/5. 13/5, so sin theta will be pi by 30. Sin theta will be pi by 30. अच्छा, moment you get sin theta, all of y'all immediately you all have to understand कि cos theta also can be obtained. अच्छा, now I'll tell you where this problem or where this question comes about which quadrant it is. Okay, अब अगर sin theta ढूंढने के बाद अगर मैंने cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta किया तो मेरे को इधर आएगा 144/169. 1 minus 25/169, 144. So cos theta will be आएगा definitely plus or minus root of 144/169. So it becomes plus or minus 12/13. Wrong answer. Why? Because all cosec theta अगर आपको आ गया, आप या तो cosec theta का वैल्यू इधर डाल सकते हो and you will get cot theta, या subtract करेंगे तो आपको cot theta वैसे भी डायरेक्ट आएगा. Subtract करेंगे तो आपको 2 cot theta is 24/5 आएगा and therefore cot theta is 12/5 आएगा. नाउ डू यू रियलाइज cosec theta and cot theta both are positive, both are positive. अब आप सोचो, all silver teacups, all silver teacups, and cosec and cot both are positive. Cosec positive है, positive in first and second. Cot positive है first and third. इधर आ गया automatically first आ गया confirm. First आ गया confirm means plus or minus not applicable. Not applicable. I'm sorry. अगर आप plus minus लिखेंगे, okay, then it is wrong. Option में भी आपका plus minus होगा, okay, यहाँ पर नहीं है, but normally देते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे यही करते हैं, cosec निकाला, sin निकाला, and from sin cos निकाला. अरे but इधर confirm है ना भाई, alright, cosec and cot are both positive, तो cos has to be positive, first quadrant वाला ही होना चाहिए. 12/13, exclusively 12/13 is the right answer. ठीक है? Okay. Everyone, yes, and I would definitely want you all to make a note of this, huh? Okay, mention that आप cosec से sin निकाल के cos निकाल सकते हो, but that isn't the right process. Okay, the right process definitely is get cosec, get cot, and from cot you know cot is cos by sin. So cos will be cot theta into sin theta, and you will get 12/13. Only positive 12/13. ठीक है? Okay. On the next page, everyone, next page पे sum number 8. Actually, that is just a statement and not a problem to be solved. And this is something that you all should know. If the terminal arm of an angle does not lie on any quadrant axis, please understand, एंगल अपन मेजर कैसे करते हैं, ये इनिशियल आर्म है और ये टर्मिनल आर्म है. मालूम है ना तुम लोगों को, इतना तो मैंने तुम लोगों को बता के दिया था, राइट, एट द बिगिनिंग, दैट दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. ओके, सो यू हैव थीटा. नाउ टर्मिनल आर्म अगर इधर है, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में हो सकता है, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में हो सकता है, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में हो सकता है, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में हो सकता है. All your ratios will be finite, finite, not defined नहीं आएगा, infinity नहीं आएगा. Infinity कब आता है? Only when it is on axis, on axis. टर्मिनल आर्म अगर इधर आ गया, एंगल 90 हो गया, tan 90 नॉट डिफाइंड. मालूम है हम लोगों को? फिर 180 हो गया तो cot 180 is not defined, cosec 180 is not defined. But all in all, if it is like this, first quadrant में, second quadrant में, third quadrant में या fourth quadrant में, then confirm कि भाई all ratios are going to be defined, finite. Okay, that's what they have said as the first option. All trigonometric ratios of this angle are always defined. Now, everyone, oh, 1 minute. Read the question. They said, identify the false statement. Oh. Many a time, everyone, student ना जल्दी में पूरा क्वेश्चन पढ़ता ही नहीं है, लफड़ा होता है. अब ऐसे में क्या होगा मालूम है? If the terminal does not lie on any of the quadrant axis, then generally the question is identify true statement. तो तुम लोग को फंसाएगा और तुम लोग फंसते भी हो ना, that is more interesting. फंसते हो ना तुम लोग, so be careful. First one is right, all are defined. Theta is this angle. Oh, scientifically true, we know that. If theta is this angle, cos square theta. I think all cos square theta will be lying between 0 and 1. Absolutely. Do you realize all axis पे है, cos theta here is 0. Sorry, 1. Cos square theta will be 1. इधर से we have any value between 0 and 1. And इधर आ गया तो cos 90 बन गया 0. सो cos स्क्वायर 90 बन जाते हैं 0, एक्सिस पे होगा तो सो 0 है और 1 है, और इन बिटवीन अपने को 0 एंड 1 के बीच में ही होगा। अच्छा देन इधर 0 बट इधर 180 पे cos is -1 and therefore cos square 180 will still be 1 अरे square okay will still be 1। do you realize that इधर से इधर तक you are going from 0 to -1 but in between shall I say cos square theta again will be between 0 and 1, something that you have to all be very clear about ना। 0 से लेके -1 तक जाए, ओके सो बीच में it will all be negative but स्क्वायर करेंगे तो पॉजिटिव ही आएगा ना, and it will be a fractional quantity, स्क्वायर किया तो भी -½ को स्क्वायर किया 1/4, -√3/2 को स्क्वायर किया 3/4 है ना, -1/√2 को नहीं -1/√2 को स्क्वायर किया 1/2 that is also possible, so it will all lie between 0 and 1। I think the C option is also correct and therefore the right option will be all right or none is a positive, ठीक है। Are you all sure about what we have mentioned here everyone? This is something like a theory which you all have to understand and answer, ठीक है। okay, 9th question looks very interesting, okay। actually if you write down the values then it's a one step, alright। 9th वाले में आप ही सोचो, ओके 9th वाले में P और Q दिया है ना, कोसेक और कॉट, मोस्टली ऑल ये कोसेक कॉट वाले टर्म्स ना वो रेसिप्रोकल वाला प्रॉपर्टी में ही है, उसके पीछे ही होता है। ऑलराइट सो व्हाट इज इट, 9th वाला क्वेश्चन इट इज 1/p, मैं लिख रहा हूं डायरेक्ट 1/ कोसेक थीटा इनटू क्या p प्लस q, कोसेक थीटा प्लस कॉट थीटा, कोसेक थीटा प्लस कॉट थीटा प्लस 1/p प्लस q, 1/ कोसेक थीटा प्लस कॉट थीटा, कोसेक थीटा प्लस कॉट थीटा। अच्छा 1/ कोसेक प्लस कॉट that means रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ कोसेक प्लस कॉट हो गया, so that means what is added, ये दो टर्म्स ऐसे एंड कोसेक थीटा माइनस कॉट थीटा, कोसेक थीटा माइनस कॉट थीटा, किधर क्या होगा कॉट थीटा कैंसिल होगा, ब्रैकेट का वैल्यू क्या होगा 2 कोसेक थीटा, 1/ कोसेक थीटा बाहर, so what should be the final answer, 2 is the final answer, ठीक है। Are you sure about what I said just now everyone? अच्छा सम नंबर 10 जैसा सम हम लोग ने फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट में किया, बेस्ट वे टू डू दिस इज वो एक्सप्रेशन मैं लिख नहीं रहा हूं, एक्सप्रेशन में डिवाइड एवरी टर्म बाय cos थीटा। तो पहला टर्म आप लोग भी सोचो दिमाग में, पहला टर्म क्या होगा, इट विल बी 5 tan थीटा माइनस ओनली 3 अपॉन 5 tan थीटा प्लस 2 ओनली 2 एंड आई थिंक दैट बी योर 5 tan थीटा का वैल्यू मान दिया है, सो सब्स्टिट्यूट गेट दिया, ठीक है। ओके एवरीवन, that's about the first 10 questions, 10 questions, okay, fundamentals of trigonometry पे based, right, okay। next 10 में 11 and 12 I'm not talking about, 13 be careful, it is cos of x minus y into x plus y all, x minus y into x plus y, so this should be cos of x squared minus y squared, ये तो सब लोगों को मालूम है, x माइनस y x प्लस y x स्क्वायर माइनस y स्क्वायर, ओके। अच्छा, which means it is cos of a minus b, cos of a minus b, so this should be what? Cos of a cos of b. Please note, not cos squared a into cos square b, ये नहीं है। I hope all of you are with me on what we are doing, okay? Cos of a minus b is cos of x square, angle is x square, cos of x square, not cos square x, cos of x square minus cos of y square plus sin of x square sin of y square, ये होना चाहिए राइट आंसर, ओके, ये होना चाहिए राइट आंसर। See, they have actually given your first option as this only, cos square x cos square y and sin square x sin square y, wrong, okay? I think it should be the B option which is the right answer, ठीक है? Obviously sin xy cannot be simplified, we have no formula for sin of product, we have formula for sin of x plus y, we have formula for sin of x minus y, we do not have a formula for sin xy, we do not have a formula for sin x by y, no. So a sin xy and sin x by y, no simplification possible. Then all up to 20, I think all of the sums are well within your reach, ठीक है? You all should be in a position to handle them yourself, ठीक है? Next, I move on to question number 21. Question number 21. अच्छा, question number 21 में क्या? Question number 21 में cot of theta plus pi by 4 into cot of theta minus pi by 4. Everyone, see, we do not have a formula for cot of x plus b, okay? Cot of x plus y अपन नहीं किए, अपन ने क्या किया? sin of x plus y किए, cos of x plus y किए, tan of x plus y किए, है ना? x minus y के साथ भी किए, लेकिन cot के साथ तो नहीं किए, है ना? So what you should do, what you all should be doing is 1 upon tan of cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. अच्छा, can I write this as pi by 4 plus theta, everyone? Pi by 4 plus theta चलेगा? चलेगा ना? पक्का? Sure. Okay. 1 upon tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4. Perfect. No problem. No problem at all. Okay. Into 1 upon tan theta minus pi by. अच्छा, तुम लोग को ध्यान है क्या? हम लोग ने जब ये किया था, हम लोग ने कुछ तो बोला था, याद है? tan of, सोचो, tan of, दिमाग में आया? tan of pi by 4 plus theta and tan of pi by 4 minus theta are reciprocals of each other. They are reciprocals of each other. But you know what? This is tan pi by 4 plus theta. Yes. But this is not tan pi by 4 minus theta. It is tan of theta minus pi by 4. थोड़ा और ध्यान दे. Can I write this as into 1 upon into, but I am not writing, into 1 upon tan minus of pi by 4 minus theta. चलेगा क्या? मेरे को दिमाग में यही है कि pi by 4 minus theta हो, tan of pi by 4 minus theta आ जाए. So tan pi by 4 plus theta, tan pi by 4 minus theta are reciprocal of each other. Product will be 1. That we can make use of ना, फिर simplify करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना भाई, है ना? So shall I say tan of minus minus whatever. अच्छा, sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, and cos of minus theta is cos theta. So tan of minus theta will be minus tan theta. That means this will be 1 upon minus tan pi by 4 minus theta. 1 upon minus tan pi by 4 plus theta minus theta into 1 upon tan pi by 4 plus theta. Can I say ये minus बाहर आ जाएगा and you will be looking at minus of 1 upon tan of pi by 4 plus theta into tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Hence, final answer should be minus 1. Final answer should be minus 1. ठीक है? Okay. Okay. Everyone, that's perfect. Not a problem at all. Another method. Okay. We're looking at this one. Cot of theta minus pi by 4. पहले टर्म को कुछ नहीं करना, टच ही नहीं करना. Cot of theta minus pi by 4. That's all. Okay. Can I say cot of whatever is tan of pi by 2 minus theta minus pi? Will that help? Okay, tan of pi by 4 minus theta minus pi by 4. I think it would have been better if we had considered प्लस करेंगे तो इधर प्लस होगा, pi by 4 आएगा माइनस थीटा. Yes, I think it would be better if we consider this. Okay, please understand all of you all. I am making use of allied angles property. Tan of 90 minus something is cot something. Tan of 90 minus something means you are on the first quadrant. All of us say. And 90 है, you are on the y-axis. Ratio must change. You get it. Okay. So what does this give me? This gives me tan of pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is pi by 4 and minus theta. Tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So therefore, the given expression is tell me what? Instead of the first cot term, can I write this? Can I write tan of pi by 4 minus theta, and second expression remains as it is, cot of theta minus pi by 4. Cot of theta minus pi by 4. है ना? So this now will be what? अच्छा, these angles are not exactly the same, but we can make those angles the same by the same concentration. Can I say this will be tan of pi by 4 minus theta into cot of minus of pi by 4 minus theta. जरा चेक करो, बराबर लिखा है क्या मैंने? So am I looking at cot of minus theta? Cot of minus theta is again minus cot theta. Only sec of minus theta and cos of minus theta are sec theta and cos theta respectively. Rest all of them, the minus sign comes out. So that means you are going to be having minus tan pi by 4 minus theta into cot pi by 4 minus theta. And these two are reciprocals of each other, hence the final answer is minus 1. Not much to choose between the two, all of y'all. It's just the way your mind will function. Your mind will work. Okay. Here we have tried to make use of the fact that tan pi by 4 plus theta and tan pi by 4 minus theta are reciprocals of each other. बराबर. And here we have tried to make use of what? Here we have tried to make use of the fact that tan theta and cot theta are themselves reciprocals of each other. So एक को मैंने simplify करने की कोशिश की to get the other angle, the tan ratio, the tan and the cot. Then became 1, and hence the answer. I hope all of you all have got the reasoning, the understanding behind the solving clear. पक्का? दोनों मेथड्स आप प्लीज नोट करो 21 में. अच्छा, next everyone, we move on to question number 26. 26 में क्या है? 26 में they're asking me to find the value of cos 15 minus sin 15. अच्छा, आप में से मैक्सिमम लोग ये करने वाले हैं, मैक्सिमम लोग इसको ढूंढेंगे. अच्छा, आप में से कुछ जिनका मेमोरी स्ट्रांग है ना, उनको याद रहेगा, अरे हाँ cos 15 रे, ओके 20 बार कर चुका मैं, √3 + 1/2√2, एंड ये वाला है √3 - 1/2√2. मेमोरी स्ट्रांग, that's an additional asset that God has gifted you with. So make use of it. Alright, you have a common denominator. Alright, common denominator 2√2 and then √3 + 1 minus है, applicable to both, minus √3 plus. So I believe √3 gets cancelled, 2/2√2, 1/√2 final. Absolutely correct ना? I mean no harm at all. अच्छा, कुछ आप में से जिनको ये याद नहीं रहेगा ना, तो भी वो लोग ये करेंगे, cos of 45 minus 30, 45 minus 30 करके सॉल्व करें. ये sin of 45 minus 30 करके सॉल्व करेंगे. ये वैल्यूज आ जाएगा, इमीडिएटली हम एब्सोल्युटली, I mean I am not going to be astonished if you have all got this answer. I am more thinking about the method of solving. Okay, all method 2, and I want you all to actually particularly try and understand what we have done. Cos 15 minus sin 15 degrees of course, whole square क्या है? Cos 15 minus sin 15 the whole square क्या? That is cos theta minus sin theta the whole square. Have you done a formula like that? Cos theta minus sin theta the whole square? Haven't you done that? I think it is 1 minus sin 2 theta. Now this is what I say application of formula that you have studied. Okay, memorize formula is one thing, all of you all. It needs a smart mind to understand where and how to apply the formula. रटना सबको पॉसिबल है. थोड़े जन को थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, थोड़े जन को ज्यादा टाइम लगता है, लेकिन रट लेंगे. अप्लाई करने को नहीं आएगा. That's a smart mind, and that's what all of you all you have to develop in these 2 years. वो smart कैसे बनते हैं, क्या करते हैं, how are we going to go ahead and play it smart? So I have got this, and sin 30 is half, so it becomes 1 minus half, that's half. Now you will tell me, अरे ये स्क्वायर है, तो स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे, cos 15 डिग्री माइनस sin 15 डिग्री, है ना? इक्वल टू प्लस और माइनस 1 अपॉन रूट 2, प्लस और माइनस 1 अपॉन रूट 2। अच्छा मेरे को एक बात आप बताओ, इन दोनों में कौन सा बड़ा है, विच इज बिग? अच्छा प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यूज, हाउ दे टेक, हाउ दे गो अबाउट। एवरीवन ये सब आपको समझने के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। ऑलराइट, डू यू ऑल नो ये 0 है और ये 90 है, साइन कैसे आते हैं यहां से? साइन थीटा ओके इज 0 here and it's 1 here. Sin 90 is 1 okay, and this keeps going up all the time. It keeps increasing all the time. Whereas cos 0 is 1 and cos 90 is 0. So ये cos value is actually decreasing as it is going up. This is decreasing and this is increasing. You know at 45 what happens? 45 okay, दोनों इक्वल, लेकिन 45 से नीचे जो एंगल होगा उसका cos बड़ा होगा, because cos is decreasing from 1 to 0, sin is increasing from 0 to 1. So 45 डिग्री से जब कम एंगल लेंगे आप, उसका cos value will be bigger than sin value. So cos 30 is bigger than sin 30. Whereas 45 के उस तरफ ले लिया तो sin will become bigger than cos. Sin 60 is bigger than cos 60. अपना तो 15 है तो ये बड़ा है, तो ये प्लस और माइनस जो मैंने लिखा है उसमें प्लस और माइनस दोनों नहीं आएगा, इट विल ओनली प्योरली पॉजिटिव 1 by root, and hence the answer. This is all a smart mind working towards getting the solution. This is the regular run-of-the-mill person getting to the solution. मैं चुपचाप अपना मैकेनिकल वे से आगे बढ़ेगा, करते करते सॉल्व करके आंसर लेके आएगा. आई एम हैप्पी विद इट. ओके, not that this is wrong, it's going to take a little more time. Okay, this is the better way to go ahead. I hope all of you have understood what we've done. Cos theta minus sin theta का वैल्यू पूछा गया है, तो मैंने cos 15 minus sin 15 को स्क्वायर किया, and I made use of that formula 1 minus sin 2 theta है. तो 1 minus sin 2 theta तो और भी अच्छा हो गया, because sin 2 theta became sin 30. sin 30 half, 1 minus half is half. स्क्वायर रूट लिया तो प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट होता है, लेकिन माइनस हो नहीं सकता है क्योंकि cos 15 sin 15 से बड़ा है, इसलिए प्लस है, which is the answer we got. पक्का? Everyone, are you sure about what I talked about just now? Please make a quick note of this. This is sum number 26. Okay, sum number 26. जल्दी से लिखो.